Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel your credit card for Bank of Scotland. To cancel your Bank of Scotland credit card, you have a few options. Simply go ahead and open a web browser and then type in bankofscotland.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website. Now once you're inside the homepage, the first option you can cancel your Bank of Scotland credit card is by online banking. Go to the login button at the top right corner from the main homepage and then type in your username and password associated with your online banking account and click on continue to log in. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the help and support option and click on message us to start a conversation. Type in close credit card to begin the cancellation process. So that was one method you can use to cancel your credit card. The next method you can use in order to cancel your credit card is by making a phone call. Go to the official website for Bank of Scotland and scroll all the way down and click on the Contact Us tab under Help and Security. Scroll down and click the drop-down under What would you like to call us about? Choose credit cards from the drop-down menu and you will be provided with the list of telephone numbers. Simply go ahead and choose a phone number and make a phone call with it. Provide your 16-digit credit card number to the advisor and follow through the instructions. Remember to settle any outstanding balances on the card before starting up with the cancellation process. So that is how you will be able to cancel your credit card for Bank of Scotland. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.